While there are already plenty of robot vacuum cleaner out there, you will still find a new brand and model released every quarter. Unsurprisingly, the newer release will always be bigger and better. This is the case for Roidmi EVA. It is not just any simple vacuum cleaner. This one can vacuum, mop, self-empty and self-clean. Talk about full automation, this is almost the full package, and you can get it now. Now, Roidmi has released an auto mop washing self-emptying robot vacuum cleaner, Roidmi EVA. It offers a one-stop cleaning solution. It can empty the robot dust tray, wash, and sterilize the mopping pads. Roidmi EVA has solved the inconvenience of traditional robot vacuums and mops, so you no longer have to clean the mopping pad and dust tray by hand. It covers all the steps of home cleaning and breaks the curse of hand washing. Keep your hands free of dust with the Roidmi EVA. It's an auto mop washing, mop drying, self-emptying, antibacterial, and mold-free vacuum and mop. It can wash the mop pads, dry the pads, and empty the dust tray automatically after cleaning. And the vacuuming, mopping, and washing status is clear to see on the LED color screen. Moreover, there are two 4-liter tanks in symmetric positions, one for clean water and the other for wastewater. When the robot docks back to recharge and wash the mopping pad, the station will pump clean water from the tank on the right side, wash the mopping pads, and pump the wastewater to the other tank. Setting it up is easy. Connect the base station to the power outlet and power it on. The brush and mops are already attached to the vacuum cleaner, so you can just power it on and place it in the base station. Alternatively, you can press the home button for it to return to the base station on its own. The whole process is automatic. Other than washing the mopping pads, the station can also empty the dust tray after cleaning. Additionally, there's a 3-liter dust bag that's 99.9% antibacterial and odor resistant. For most families, the bag is enough for 60 days. When you need to replace it, simply take it out and throw it away. It's enclosed to avoid secondary pollution, so it's very friendly for people who are allergic to dust. It's worth mentioning that the Roidmi EVA also features turbo air drying to wash and dry the mopping pad quickly. Even if you've washed the mopping pad, it might still breed bacteria when it's damp, so it's effective to prevent the mopping pad from smelling or growing bacteria. The Roidmi EVA provides high-performance household cleaning. The 3 vacuuming and mopping modes work closely when the robot is on a mission. Furthermore, it has 2 4-inch W-shape HL mopping pads, which are 99% antibacterial. These pads work with the 180 RPM rotation speed and 12 N force against the floor, and they simulate hand mopping to clean the floor more deeply and thoroughly. For the mopping mode, you have to make sure the water tank is filled with water. Depending on the size of the house, each cleaning will use up a half to 3/4 of the water in the tank. The base station will prompt you to fill up the water tank if the water level is low. A rule of thumb is to fill it up to the brim before it starts mopping. Additionally, this robot vacuum has a suction power of 3,200 pascals. All the while, the side brush speed changes dynamically, and the floating suction nozzle can adjust to the uneven floor to effortlessly suck in most dust and big or small particles. Additionally, the Roidmi EVA provides a worry-free user experience. It has Gen 4.0 liters DS LiDAR navigation, PSD corner detection, super sensing precise mapping, recharge and return, and linear cleaning along the wall. It also has features like defining different rooms, building virtual walls, cleaning by area, compartment and integration, naming the rooms, etc. to customize cleaning modes for different spaces. Moreover, this vacuum can detect obstacles and move around them or climb barriers as high as 20 mm. Best of all, the 5,200 mAh battery can last for 250 minutes at most, and clean 250 square meters in a run. Moreover, it's compatible with the Mi Home app, Alexa, and Google Assistant for smart and efficient voice control. The Roidmi EVA will be priced at $899, and it is available at most Chinese sites. I have tried plenty of robot vacuum cleaners, and Roidmi EVA is probably the best and smartest I have come across. Not only does it clean and mop your place, it can also self-empty the dust and self-clean the mops. It totally frees your hands up, and you don't have to empty the dustbin all the time. Also of mention is the great range of customization options available on the app. Did I say that it supports Alexa or Google Home too, so that you can control it with your voice too? If that is not awesome, I don't know what is. Do you like the new model of the smart robot cleaner? Write your comment below. Thanks for watching, have a good day and see you soon.